Hello my dear students, welcome back again in our mathematics class. So today our topic is who is heavier. You know that we have already completed the chapters, but today I will give you another different types of class on who is heavier. It will be very interesting, so be with me. And the topic name is activity based questions, means here I will discuss some practical life related question. First question I have solved here, but rest of the question you have to answer in the comment section. Compare the weights. Here we will compare the weights. You know that the measurement means related to the units of measurement related to weight is kilogram and gram, and also milligram we can use. Okay, so these are the three units are needed for this chapter. Okay, so first, which of this is more than 1 kg in weight? Don't be confused from the figure. The first figure is a car, but it is a toy car. It is a toy car. So you know that toy car weight is not more than 1 kg. And then a girl, and then a big book, or you can say, or diary. So it is more than 1. Now the second question, which of this is less than 1 kg in weight? So from the picture you can easily understand. First one is a cloth. It means it's a sweater, I think. And next one is a table. And the third one is a dog. So which of this is less than 1 kg in weight? So you have to think first. First one you can say is a jacket also, you can say. Okay, so jacket or table or the dog. What will be your answer? Just give the answer in my comment section. So from this we can easily understand that what is the practical life, in practical life how we can measure the things. Now let us discuss our third question. It is very interesting and very easy. Fill in the blanks using more than or less than. A number question is given. An elephant can eat dash 1 kg food in one day. More than 1 kg food in one day or less than 1 kg food in one day. A mouse can eat more than 1 kg food in one day or less than 1 kg food in one day. So you have to think about the size of an elephant and a mouse. Okay, and then you have to think that whether it can eat more than or less than 1 kg, that you have to think. Okay, so in first you think that what is the size of the elephant, and after that you can write what will be the appropriate amount they can eat. Now the fourth question, circle the objects that weigh more than a kg and underline objects that weigh more than 5 kgs. So the names of the things, items are given here. I will tell you the names. Like first one is a laptop, second one is a rice sack of rice, and then fourth one is a chair, and fifth one is a track. You can say it's a real track. Okay, so not a toy track or anything, it's a real track. So what would be the proper answer? You have to give the answer in my comment section. First one is a laptop, second one is a sack of rice, and third one is a chair, and fourth one is a track. Okay, so you have to give the answer. Which of this is correct? A number option, a cycle is drawn here and a doll is there. So which is here it is written cycle is greater than the doll. And option B, slice of breads is drawn here and 1 kilogram is there. So slice of breads greater than 1 kg. what will be your answer? You have to give the answer in my comment section. Okay, so cycle, you think that what is the weight of the cycle? It is near about 9 kg or 10 kg or 20 kg. So and the doll's weight is not more than 1 kg. So what will be your answer? You give the answer in my comment section. I know that you can understand you can guess the weight. Now visit a local grocery store and find out. A number, what is the weight of the biggest rice pack they sell? First you have to survey here that what is the weight of the biggest rice pack they sell. And next one is, what is the weight of the smallest packet of red chili powder they sell? So these are the two information you have to collect. Let me read the 7th number question. It is very interesting question, and I have solved the question in the next page and you will see it. And next I have given one question, you have to solve it. Bilal went to the market and bought 2 sacks of rice, each weight 40 kg. 4 wooden chairs which each weighed 3 kg, and 1 cycle of weight 9 kg, and 5 potato chips packet weight 500 gram each. 2 cauliflowers weight 450 gram each. Then what will be the total weight? Means what the weight Bilal carrying, and is he crosses 100 kg weight? So you have to first find out the total weight what Bilal carries, and for second thing is you have to find out that whether Bilal carrying more than one. Here I will show you the solution of the 7th number question. See, I have make a chart, and in this chart I have make 4 columns. First column is of item name, second column amount per item, third column number of items, and fourth column total weight. So first item name is rice. Amount per item means 1 sack of rice is 40 kg, and he bought 2 sacks. So next total weight is 2 into 40 equals to 80 kg. Wooden chair, he bought 3 kg weights wooden chair, and number of wooden chairs he bought 4. So 4 into 3 equals to 12 kg. Next cycle he bought 9 kg, and number of item is 1. 1 cycle he bought, and 1 into 9 equals to 9 kg. Next potato chips packet he bought he bought 5 potato chips packet, and the weight of potato chips packet is 500 gram each. So 5 into 500 equals to 22,500 gram. And next is cauliflower. He bought 2 cauliflowers, each of weight 450 gram. So 2 into 450 gram equals to 900 gram. Now we can make the grand total. By how to make the grand total? You can add the weights. Okay, so 80 plus 12 plus 9 plus 2500 gram, that means 2 kg 500 gram you can convert, and then 900 gram. So after adding I have got 104 kg 400 gram. Gram I have written but it is cut, so sorry for that. You can add the gram also. Easily understand that it is more than 100 kg, so it crosses 100 kg weight. Now the 8th number question, find total weight of Rita's school bag. In Rita's school bag she carried 1 dictionary of weight 1 kg 800 gram, 4 books of weight 450 gram each, and crayon boxes 9 gram each, 2 tiffin boxes of weight 87 gram and 87 gram each, gram it will be gram each, and 2 pencil boxes of weight 15 gram each, and 4 copies of 350 gram each, and 1 purse of weight 250 gram. Is it crosses 5 kg? If she add 1 more dictionary, then what will be its weight its total weight. So you have to solve it. Okay, you have to solve it and you have to give the answer in my comment section. This is the homework. This is worksheet number 4, means revision worksheet, final term revision worksheet 4, and you will get it from the school website. You can download the worksheet and then you can write the answer. Okay, and in the last 5 number question I have given one activity, that also you have to do. Okay, so till then, bye bye everyone.